welcome back to my channel Chef SK. Today I will be showing you how to make Chef SK's Chilli Paneer. Check it out and hope you enjoy. So first we're going to start off with frying the paneer. So I have 500 grams of paneer, 150 grams of corn flour, and to the corn flour I want to add 2 teaspoons of chili powder and 2 teaspoons of salt. So just give that a mix in corn flour. And then when I just add all the meat, just give that a good coating. This will make the paneer go crispy, and will give that crispy coating to it. And then I have a fryer set to 170 degrees. And what I want to do is just fry this at 170 degrees for 2 minutes. Just carefully put it into the fryer. It's been frying for 2 minutes and I'm just taking it out. It's got a nice colour to it. It's gone nice and crispy. I'm just going to let it drain, and then in the meantime we can start making the sauce. I've got 1 bunch of spring onions just sliced at the angle, 5 centimeters of ginger with the skin on, and 3 cloves of garlic just diced. Some white wine vinegar, some light soy sauce, some sweet chili sauce, salt, pepper, 2 tablespoons of rapeseed oil, 1 teaspoon of Garm Masala, and then I've got some peppers that I've just diced up. I've put them in the oven on full blast for 5 minutes with some oil, salt, and that's it. A little bit of lemon and 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup and 1 tablespoon of Sriracha sauce. So I've got a very hot wok here. To that I want to add the rapeseed oil. And then add the spring onions. Quickly cook the spring onions up slightly. And then at this point add the garlic and ginger. I want to cook it off for about 30 seconds. And then add the Garm Masala. This is a very quick recipe, so you got to make sure that you have all your recipes to hand. Toast that off very slightly, and then add your tomato ketchup and your Sriracha sauce. Then 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar. 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, some salt, some pepper. Just give that a quick mix. And then just squeeze it in, just 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. You just want this to get to the boil. And then once it's boiling like that, add your peppers. And then at this point, you can add your paneer. Just mix it all together. If you do like this very chilly, then at the point where you add your garam masala, you can add chili powder. I would say about 1 teaspoon of chili powder will be enough for this recipe, but the sweet chili sauce gives it quite a bit of a heat, and remember you put the chili powder in with the paneer when you fried it. And just give that a quick mix. And that is how you make Chef SK's chili paneer.